In this video, we'll be creating blocks which will help us determine the minimum parcel area needed for a certain building size. We'll be exploring two cases, case 1 and case 2. Case 1, we'll be figuring out the minimum land area needed for a building that is 50 feet wide by 90 feet long, with front setbacks of 20 feet, rear setbacks of 10 feet, and side setbacks of 5 feet. Case 2 is a 60 foot wide by 80 foot long building footprint with a front setback of 20 feet, a rear setback of 20 feet, and a side setback of 10 feet. To start with the blocks, we will use the rectangle command, and we will drag down from the dynamic input. We'll go ahead and key in our width, so that's 50 feet, tab, 90 feet. So now we have a rectangle that is 50 feet wide by 90 feet long. And we know we're using feet because we're in model space, so everything we're drawing should match whatever units you have for your insertion scale. So we're drawing in feet. We'll start the front setbacks with a circle with a radius of 20. We'll do that on both. For the rear setback, we'll do a circle with a radius of 10. And for the side, we'll do a setback of 5 with a circle of radius 5. We've been drawing on the construction layer, and now we want to go ahead and put these on the preset layers that you should already have. To check that, you can come up to the layer properties, and you should see these present. We'll select the building footprint for case 1 and go to case 1 building footprint. For the front setback, we'll do the same. For the rear and for the sides. Now we'll use the block command. We'll title this case 1 lot block. We'll select all of the objects and elements we want to be associated with the block definition. And we'll pick an insertion point. For now, just the midpoint. We can always go back and change it. Now we have one block which we can move with one single pick point. You'll see me fast forward through case 2. Lastly, we'll create the parcel lines by using the polyline command and the quadrant snap to connect the quadrants of the respective circles. Then we'll use the fillet tool with a radius of 0 to create our corners. Now we'll put this area on the case 1 lot line layer, and we'll do the same for case 2 over here and fast forward. Then we'll create copies of these so we can see them by themselves. Case 1 has an area of 7,200 square feet and is 60 feet wide by 120 feet long. Case 2 is 9,600 square feet and is 80 feet wide by 120 feet long.